In today's video, we will discuss about earthwork. Generally, we will deal with excavation, cutting, filling. What are the different type of excavation we do at the site? What are the instrument used? For an example, hand tools or machine tools for the excavation. So this video will be all about that. Okay, so let us quickly begin. Earthwork. Earthwork can be your excavation, can be your backfilling, and it can be of other types also. Let us discuss this earthwork one by one. So first you need to understand what is cutting. Cutting is the process wherein you cut the part of the earth in order to have a sufficient space to construct your desirable element, construction element such as foundation. Okay, this is known as cutting, whereas filling is filling back that material, leveling the ground is known as your filling. Okay, so cutting and filling is just the part of your earthwork. So this diagram shows a cross-sectional slope, and in this slope you can see how the earthwork is cut and filled according to our requirement. Now, types of earthwork excavation. How you will do excavation? So there are different types of earthwork excavation. The first one is topsoil excavation, where you remove a part of the topsoil. Then you have earth excavation. Then you have rock excavation, where you remove the rocks. Then you have muck excavation. Then you have borrow excavation, channel excavation, and footing excavation. Let us go through this one by one. Topsoil excavation, as I have told you, we will just remove the top layer of the earth. Okay, that means we are removing the grass and whatever small trees we have there, removing that. Earth excavation is generally we dig a layer out of the earth for the foundation. There it is limited up to 4 meters. Okay, so this is known as your earth excavation. Rock excavation, removing rocks from the site, is known as your rock excavation. Muck excavation, if you have a muck area wherein there is a lot of slurry and a lot of loose soil, right? That is supposed to be removed. This is known as your muck excavation. Similarly, borrow excavation, we borrow soil from another place to place at our site. That is known as your borrow excavation. Channel excavation, when you create an excavation for passing water from one place to another, is known as your channel excavation. Foundation or footing excavation is nothing but when you do excavation for placing your footing or making your foundation is known as your channel or footing excavation. So equipment used while you do the excavation, some of those equipments I have mentioned here. Hand tool excavation such as your spade. You can see this is the shovel and pickaxe. These are hoe, trowel and rake. And then machine tools for excavation would include your bulldozers, crawlers, okay, backhoe loaders, okay, trenchers. All these are your machine tool excavators. So tracked excavators, this is your track excavator. You can see this in the diagram. Wheeled excavator, you can see this in the picture. So all these are the type of the excavators. Bulldozer, they are used for different purposes. Okay, so all these would have their benefits, their advantages and disadvantages. You can go through the PDF which I have shared. You can go through that and understand what are the benefits of each type of excavators and where they are used, and what are the which at which site conditions this can be used. That is the basic idea which I have given in this PPTs. So dragline excavator, where it is used, basically dragline excavator is used when you are working at a high elevation and you need to take out something from the lower elevation. Trenchers are generally used to create trench. Okay, so these are the type of excavators and excavation process.